Stop scrolling. Seriously, stop right now and check your pocket, your wallet, even that jar sitting in your room, because you might be holding hidden wealth and not even realize it. I'm talking about ordinary-looking wheat pennies that people spend every single day, not knowing they're throwing away a silent fortune. And here's the scary part. Nobody talks about these. Collectors are fighting behind the scenes, paying insane money at auctions for coins that look dirty, worn, even worthless. This is real auction shock. These coins change everything. And today I'm exposing 3 of the most valuable, ultra-rare wheat pennies still hiding in circulation. Each one gets rarer, more dangerous to ignore, and way more valuable. Do not spend these coins. Stay with me, because what you're about to see could completely change how you look at every penny forever. Most people would throw this coin away without thinking twice. And that's exactly why it's so dangerous. Because the 1941 wheat penny without a mint mark, especially the ones with those dull grey-black spots spreading across the surface, looks like damage, like something dirty, like something you don't want. But what most people miss, and this is where everything changes, is that this ugly appearance can actually be the fingerprint of time, survival, and extreme collector obsession. Now picture this. It's 1941 in the United States. The country is on the edge of something massive. Economic pressure is building, global tension is rising, and industries are starting to shift toward wartime production. The US Mint is under stress, not just to produce coins, but to produce them fast, faster than ever before. That pressure creates mistakes, inconsistencies, and coins that were never meant to survive decades in circulation. And this is one of them. This 1941 wheat penny was struck in Philadelphia. That's why there's no mint mark. But don't let that fool you into thinking it's common. Under heavy production demand, dies were used longer than they should have been. Metal quality wasn't always perfect. And coins like this, especially ones that survived in very fine condition, carry the scars of that moment in history. Look closely at the design. On the front, the obverse, you'll see Abraham Lincoln's profile. Strong, calm, but on this coin, there's often a softness in the details, slight wear from years of circulation. The word liberty sits to the left, the date 1941 stamped firmly on the right. But here's the thing, collectors don't just look at what's there, they look at how it's there. The spacing, the sharpness, the wear patterns, every tiny detail matters. Flip it over. The reverse shows those iconic wheat stalks, framing the words 1 cent and United States of America. But on this specific coin, with grey-black spotting, something unusual happens. The toning creates a deep, almost antique look. It's not shiny. It's not pretty. It's real. And collectors, they crave that originality. Because once you clean this coin, it's over. Let me say that again clearly. Never clean this coin. That natural toning, those dark patches, even the uneven color, that's what proves authenticity. That's what tells collectors this coin hasn't been messed with. Cleaning it destroys that story forever, and with it, the value. Now let's talk about how it feels. In your hand, it weighs about 3.11 grams. Small, light, easy to ignore. The diameter is around 19 millimeters, with a thickness just over 1.5 millimeters. The edges are smooth, no ridges. It's simple, ordinary, and that's exactly how hidden wealth hides. But here's where things start to feel different. Because coins like this, in very fine condition, with original surfaces and no cleaning, are disappearing. People spend them, lose them, damage them. And collectors, they're not letting go. When one shows up at auction, it doesn't sit there quietly. There's tension. There's watching. There's waiting. And then bidding starts. Not loud, not crazy, just quiet, aggressive competition between people who know exactly what they're looking at. Because this isn't just a penny. This is a silent fortune. Right now, coins like this, matching this exact profile, have reached market values around $1,100,490. Let that sink in. That's life-changing money, hiding in something people ignore every single day. So before you do anything, check your coins. Look for that 1941 date. Look for no mint mark. Look for that strange gray-black toning. And if you find one, do not spend this coin. Don't clean it. Don't fix it. Get it professionally graded. Because one wrong move and you could erase a fortune. Most people miss this. But you won't. And what comes next is even more unbelievable. The next coin makes this one look common. And the reason behind it is something almost nobody understands. There's a reason some collectors go completely silent when this coin shows up. And it's not because it's common. It's because they don't want you to notice it. The 1951 wheat penny without a mint mark, especially the ones with that dark, dirty, almost forgotten look, is one of the most dangerous coins to ignore. Not flashy, not shiny, not impressive at first glance. In fact, most people see it and think, this is worthless, and then they spend it without a second thought. That mistake could cost you a fortune. Now rewind to 1951. America is deep in post-war transition. The economy is shifting, inflation pressure is building, and the demand for coin production is still intense. The U.S. Mint in Philadelphia, again no mint mark, is pushing out millions of coins to keep up with circulation. But under that pressure, something happens. Quality control begins to slip in subtle ways. Dyes are overused. Metal flow becomes inconsistent. Tiny imperfections start appearing, the kind only serious collectors obsess over. And this is where this coin separates itself. Because the dirty look you see, that dark, aged surface, is not damage in the way people think. It's time. It's oxidation. It's decades of untouched existence. It's proof that this coin hasn't been cleaned, hasn't been altered, hasn't been destroyed by someone trying to make it look better. And that is everything. Look closely at the obverse. Lincoln's portrait is still there, but in fine condition. The details are slightly worn, especially around the hair and cheek. Liberty might look soft. The date 1951 is still visible, but not razor-sharp. And this is where most people get it wrong. They assume worn means worthless. But collectors, they see survival. Flip the coin. The reverse wheat stalks are still standing, framing 1 cent and United States of America. But here's the detail most people miss, the lines inside those wheat ears. If they're still partially visible, even with wear, that coin becomes incredibly desirable in this condition range. This detail changes everything. Now hold it in your hand. It feels light, around 3.11 grams. The diameter sits at 19 millimeters. Thickness just about 1.5 millimeters. Smooth edges. Nothing special, until you realize you might be holding something worth more than a luxury house. That's the illusion. Because hidden inside this ordinary piece of copper, 95% copper, 5% tin and zinc, is a story of survival against time, pressure, and human neglect. And here's the brutal truth. Most of these coins didn't survive like this. They were cleaned, scratched, polished, destroyed by people who didn't understand that original condition is everything. That dark, dirty surface, that's what collectors want. That untouched look, that's where the value lives. Say it with me, never clean this coin. Even a gentle wipe can erase microscopic details that collectors pay serious money for. Once it's cleaned, it's no longer original. And once it's no longer original, the silent fortune disappears. Now let's talk about demand. Coins like this don't flood the market. They don't sit in piles waiting to be bought. When one appears, especially one that hasn't been tampered with, collectors notice. Quietly, carefully. Bidding doesn't explode right away. It builds. Slow, controlled, almost secret. Because the people bidding already know. They know supply is shrinking. They know most surviving examples are ruined. And they know that holding onto a coin like this is like holding onto a piece of history that's only getting rarer. That's why many don't sell. They hold. And that's why when one does sell, the numbers don't make sense to normal people. Right now, examples like this have reached around $1 million in market value. Yes, 1 million. For a coin, most people wouldn't even pick up off the ground. This is not fiction. This is happening. So here's what you need to do. And don't ignore this. Check every 1,951 penny you see. Look for no mint mark. Study the surface. If it looks dark, aged, even a little dirty, don't dismiss it. That might be exactly what makes it valuable. And if you think you've found one, do not spend this coin. Do not clean it. Store it safely. Get it professionally graded. Because one careless move, and you could lose something that was quietly sitting in your hands this whole time. Most people will never notice this coin. But now you will. And the next one? It's not just rare. It's the kind of coin that makes collectors nervous, because when it appears, everything changes. There's one coin that makes even experienced collectors hesitate before speaking. Not because they don't recognize it, but because they do. And they know exactly what happens when too many people find out. The 1,955 wheat penny without a mint mark, especially the ones with that deep, dark brown surface, those black spots, those layered textures spreading across both sides, is the kind of coin people ignore every single day, while others quietly build wealth from it. This is not hype. This is not exaggeration. This is the kind of coin that slips through fingers and disappears into someone else's collection forever. Now think about 1,955 for a second. America is booming. Industry is exploding. Money is moving fast. The demand for coin production is massive. And the Philadelphia Mint is working overtime. No mint mark. High pressure. High speed. And when production hits that level, perfection disappears. Mistakes happen. Not always obvious ones, but subtle, powerful differences, dye fatigue, inconsistent strikes, metal flow issues, the kind that create coins collectors become obsessed with decades later. And this coin carries that pressure inside it. Look at the obverse. Lincoln's face is there, but in fine condition. It's worn just enough to show it lived a real life in circulation. But then your eyes catch something unusual, those dark brown tones mixed with black spotting and layered surfaces. Almost like the coin aged differently than it should have. That's not damage. That's history sitting on the surface. Liberty might not be razor sharp. The date 1,955 may feel slightly blended into the field. But collectors don't run from that, they lean in. Because what matters isn't just the design, it's the originality. Flip it over. The wheat stalks still frame the reverse. But again, it's not about perfection. It's about presence. The layering, the toning, the uneven darkness. It creates a look that cannot be replicated. And that's where value begins. Because here's the truth, most people don't understand. Coins like this were never meant to survive untouched. They were spent, dropped, forgotten, cleaned, ruined. But the ones that made it through decades without being polished, without being fixed, those are the ones collectors chase. And once again, say it clearly, never clean this coin. Those black spots, that dark brown tone, that layered surface, that's the identity of the coin. That's what proves it hasn't been altered. The moment you try to clean it, you erase the very thing that makes it valuable. Now hold it. It feels like every other penny, about 3.11 grams, roughly 19 millimeters in diameter, around 1.5 millimeters thick. Smooth edge, nothing sharp, nothing flashy, and yet you could be holding something worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's the trap. That's how hidden wealth works. Now let's talk about why collectors lose sleep over this coin. Because demand is not just high, it's emotional. There's something about this specific year, this specific look, this specific untouched condition that triggers competition. Not loud, not public, but controlled, strategic, intense. Collectors don't just want it. They need it. And when one appears in the market, especially with original toning and no cleaning, it doesn't last. People don't list these casually. They hold them. They protect them. Because supply keeps shrinking and demand keeps rising. And when that imbalance grows, prices don't stay normal. Right now, coins matching this exact profile have reached values around $800,000. Let that hit you. $800,000 for something people still spend without looking. This is not fiction. This is happening in real life. So here's what you do next. And don't ignore this. Every time you see a 1,955 penny, stop. Look closely. Check for the no mint mark. Study the surface. If you see that dark brown tone, those black spots, that layered, almost aged texture, don't dismiss it. That might be your silent fortune. And if you find one, do not spend this coin. Do not clean it. Put it somewhere safe. Get it professionally graded. Because one careless decision could erase something life-changing. Most people will never understand what they're holding. But now, you do.